Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Debank Charts, a powerful tool for tracking and analyzing cryptocurrency portfolios and transactions. Debank is a popular platform that provides users with a comprehensive overview of their cryptocurrency assets, and its charts are an essential feature for making informed investment decisions. To get started, first navigate to the Debank website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the Charts tab to access the Debank Charts. The charts provide a visual representation of your portfolio's performance over time, allowing you to track your assets and make adjustments as needed. The first step in using Debank Charts is to select the type of chart you want to view. Debank offers a range of chart options, including a portfolio overview, asset allocation, and transaction history. Choose the chart that best suits your needs, and then select the time frame you want to view. Debank allows you to view charts over a range of time frames, from 1 day to 1 year. Once you have selected your chart and time frame, you can begin to analyze your portfolio's performance. Look for trends and patterns in the chart, such as increases or decreases in value, and use this information to make informed investment decisions. You can also use the charts to track the performance of individual assets, allowing you to identify which assets are performing well and which may need to be adjusted. In addition to tracking portfolio performance, Debank Charts also provide a range of other useful features. For example, you can use the charts to track your transaction history, including the date, time, and amount of each transaction. This information can be useful for tracking your spending and identifying areas where you can improve your investment strategy. Best practices for using Debank Charts include regularly monitoring your portfolio's performance, using the charts to track trends and patterns, and making adjustments to your investment strategy as needed. It is also a good idea to use the charts in conjunction with other tools and resources, such as market news and analysis, to get a comprehensive view of the cryptocurrency market. By following these steps and using Debank Charts effectively, you can gain a deeper understanding of your cryptocurrency portfolio and make more informed investment decisions. Remember to stay up to date with the latest market trends and analysis, and to always use the charts in conjunction with other tools and resources to get the most out of your investment strategy. With Debank Charts, you can take control of your cryptocurrency portfolio and achieve your investment goals.